In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to 1v1 in Project Smash with friends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly 1v1. 1v1 is an official mode that was added in one of the first updates to Project Smash, and you will be able to find the option to 1v1 other players when you click on your rank at the left side of the screen. So instead of going over to this lobby here, choosing your character and so on, you just have to click on your rank at the left. Immediately upon clicking on ranked, you will see everyone who is in the current lobby that you are on included in your ranks. As you can see at the bottom, you can enter queue to play 1v1 or 2v2. Now, if you want to play 1v1 against your friends, you just have to make sure that both of you join the same server together, so invite each other, and then once both of you are here, you just click on their names. I'm not going to do it because I don't want to interrupt these random people who are playing, but you will be able to see them on this list, and then you just click on them. They will be able to see the same menu and play 1v1. Alternatively, if you want to play together against two other people, you can select 2v2 from here, click the plus sign, and you will be able to invite someone. So just click on their names once again to invite them here. They will be able to accept if they are inside of the game, and they go over here to this ranked menu and change the 1v1 to 2v2 and so on. So it is extremely fun to do, and of course you will be able to play as any character that you have. So make sure that you select the character beforehand, and once both of you accept the 1v1 battle, you will be teleported into another arena where it's basically you against each other. There is no one else. It is just going to be a floating arena. You can knock each other off the edge, you can destroy, you can do all sorts of combos, and it is a super well implemented mode. And of course there is a rank attributed to this, so you will be able to climb the rank, get elo, and eventually even show up on the leaderboard here. I hope I was able to help you on how to 1v1 in Project Smash Roblox with friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.